In 1972, the four major South African banks established ACB, the Automated Clearing Bureau, to facilitate and regulate interbank payments. With accurate systems processing the transmission of payments information and the transfer of funds, the company was able to supply the South African Reserve Bank with all the information it needed to make the daily interbank settlement.
In those early days, ACB's large reader sorter machines were used to process the checks with which most payments were made. Then, as EFT was introduced in the 70s, the key processing feature became magnetic tape, with large reels that required loading, cataloguing, and archiving. Later, as scope and technology increased, so did the reach of ACB, with bureaus opening in Cape Town, Durban, and Port Elizabeth to process payments in their regions.
In 1983, with the establishment of SASwitch, the South African payments industry confirmed its global leadership with the unmatched efficiency and convenience of the interbank ATM switch. Over the years, the payments industry had expanded beyond ACB and SASwitch. There was BankScan for credit card vouchers, Unexco for securities, SPV, which dealt with all the hard cash which circulated daily, the Joint Banks Credit Bureau, which handled credit checks, and the Central Depository for the exchange of bonds. And in 1993, in a major move to consolidate, all these facets of interbank payments were integrated into a single management company.
This diverse group remained intact until 1999, when the company divested itself of several of the businesses. Three core divisions were left in place: check clearing, electronic funds transfer, and card transactions, with the assets now concentrated in a new single entity, BankServ. Soon, an expanded board of directors took the decision to embark on extending the company's scope. From being a purely shared services business, a path was charted for BankServ to develop a commercial side to its business, with products that it could promote and sell in the marketplace.
In 2010, the company rebranded as BankservAfrica, with a focus on positioning itself as a Pan-African brand across the continent. This encompassed the broader offering of combining trusted transactions with sensitive information. The name change was an opportunity to signal this change to the market, while reassuring current clients to expect the same excellent standards from their trusted partner. A strong, revitalized brand would also be a powerful internal culture catalyst. Stable yet dynamic, innovative yet absolutely reliable, BankservAfrica has grown to become Africa's largest payment clearinghouse, employing more than 500 people and responsible for the switching and clearing of the majority of South Africa's interbank payment transactions up to the value of 5 million rand, the cumulative value of which amounts to trillions of rands annually.
We are an integral part of South Africa's national payments system, authorized by PASA, the Payments Association of South Africa, to act as a payment system operator in terms of guidelines approved by the South African Reserve Bank. We work closely with the Reserve Bank, ensuring complete compliance with the law and regulations that have helped make South Africa a world leader in payment systems. With our expertise in technology, design, product, and interoperability, we have progressed into Africa with a number of successful projects. We assisted in creating NamClear, a clearinghouse facility in Namibia. In Zimbabwe and Swaziland, BankservAfrica payment clearing facilities have been installed in-country with our guidance. In addition to the Cape Verde EFT and clearing and settlement reporting, as well as the Lesotho ACH project, we have several consultancy assignments in Nigeria and Ghana.